everyone, my name is Jay, and in this video, I am going to demonstrate the functionality of our Deliverable 3 parser developed using Java and Antler. Let's begin by walking through the setup, usage, and outputs of the parser. To start, here are the requirements for setting up the environment. As you can see, we used Java for our programming language. We used Antler for our grammar with the executable jar file of version 4.13.2. Also, we need a code editor or IDE such as IntelliJ or Visual Studio Code. Both Java and Antler installations need to be verified by running commands in the terminal. If you haven't set up Java or Antler yet, please visit Java and Antler's website for installation. Now let's move to the setup process. You can either clone or download the repository containing the parser, but for me, I'm going to download the file. And as you can see, you can extract the downloaded file. And I am going to move the extracted file to the file where it has the executable jar file. Optionally, you can navigate through the deliverable3 directory beforehand and delete the parse tree PNG file that is already generated for your reference. And you can actually delete and generate fresh outputs during the testing. Now, let's generate the parser and lexer. You can open the terminal or command line prompt and actually navigate to the deliverable3 directory. So I have my project under Antler, and if you go under deliverable3, so I am now inside the deliverable3 file, which is shown on the left side as a file explorer. Now you can run the following command, replacing path to your with the full path of your Antler executable jar file. So you have to manually change the path to your part as your real path to the Antler executable jar file. I have mine under Antler. And enter the grammar file. And if you press enter, you will see on the left that parser and lexer files are generated. After the files are generated, open deliverable3 lexer.java file in your code editor. And I'm going to use Visual Studio Code for now. And we have to add the following line at the top of the file to include the necessary imports, since we are using stack for indentation and dedentation. So import java.util.stack and save the file after editing. Now let's compile and run the parser. First, compile all Java files in the directory by running javac **java. This will compile all of the Java files. Now, in order to execute the main class, which is named test deliverable3, we'll have to enter this following command, also replacing path to with the full path to your Antler jar file. So java dash cp dot semicolon and path to your Antler executable file and test deliverable 3, which is the main Java class that can generate and save the parse tree image. So once executed, you can check the output for the message saying that parse tree saved as deliverable3 parsetree.png file. Now, let's finally verify the output. As you can see, you can open the deliverable3 parsetree.png file generated in the directory. This file contains the parse tree representation of the input processed by the parser. As you can see, the parser successfully generates the parse tree, demonstrating its capability to handle Python-like indentation-sensitive syntax. That concludes the demonstration of our deliverable 3 parser. Thank you for watching.